Try this week's Crumbl cookies with me. First up is vanilla bean cupcake. That is addicting. Oh my god. That is so flavorful. It like bursted. Oh, it was so good. I rate that at 10 out of 10. That is fantastic. Oh my god. Next up is the Reese's brownie one, I think. That one is very peanut buttery, so if you don't like peanut butter, I would not get it. But I love peanut butter, so it was so good. It tasted like you were eating a peanut butter sandwich. Chef kiss. Okay, next up is a waffle one. This one's really messy, so I'm gonna give it a shot. That one was not my favorite. It was, I give it like a 5 out of 10. The last one I give 8 out of 10. The Reese's one, 8 out of 10. So good. Last but not least is the one I'm most excited for. It's a s'mores cake. Look at that. Crazy. Uh-oh. That one was not my favorite. The icing is not, it doesn't taste like marshmallows. It tastes like not very good icing. I don't like icing that much, so. But the cake's not even that good. It has like no flavor to it at all. I give it a 2 out of 10. That's disappointing. Overall, I give this week a 7 out of 10. The vanilla bean started out as the best, and then we went to the worst. So, go try it out this week. Bye!